Welcome students, I am your commerce teacher Gurpreet Usan. Today we will discuss the new chapter Partnership Accounts. In this chapter we discuss the admission of a new partners. In this chapter we discuss when the new partner is come into the firm, that time the old partnership come to an end and the new one among all the partners come into the existence. There are some adjustments when the new partners come into the business. Today we discuss the first adjustment. The name of the adjustment is adjustment in profit sharing ratio. When the admission of a new partners result in change of the agreement among old partners, introduction of one or more partners into the existence firm means reduction in the share of the old partners. For this, it is necessary that a new profit or loss sharing ratio among old and new partners must be agreed to facilitate the distribution of the profit and loss among the partners. Now, start the calculation of the new profit sharing ratio. What is new profit sharing ratio? The ratio in which all the partners will share future profit or loss is known as the new profit sharing ratio. This ratio depends upon the ratio in which new partner acquire his share from old partners. There are some cases to calculation of the new profit sharing ratio. Today we will discuss the first case. In this case, there are two things mentioned in the question. The first is old partners profit sharing ratio and the second is new partners share. First, you can see the question. Now, A and B are two partners sharing profit and loss in ratio 5:3. That means old partners profit sharing ratio is given. And the second, C is admission. C is a new partner they admit in the firm and his share is 1/5 in the profit. That means there are two things are mentioned. The first is old partners profit sharing ratio and the second is new partners share. So calculate the new profit sharing ratio. There are following steps are applied to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. The first is calculate the remaining share as follow. That time remaining share is equal to 1 minus new partner's share of profit. New partner share of profit is mentioned in the question. Second step is dividing this remaining share between the old partners in old profit sharing ratio. And the last is calculate the new profit sharing ratio by equal the denominator. Let's start the solution. First we calculate the remaining share. So let total share is equal to 1. The new partner is C. C's share is also given is 1:5. Now calculate the remaining share. Remaining share is equal to 1 minus C's share. 1 minus 1/5. Now 5 minus 1 divided by 5 is equal to 4/5. The remaining share of C is 4/5. Now calculate the A's new share is equal to 4/5. 4/5 is remaining share multiply 5/8. 5/8 means you can see the question A and B profit sharing ratio is mentioned. So 5/8 is a share of A. Now the A's new share is 1/2. The next is B's new share is equal to 4/5. That means remaining share multiply 3/8. B's new share is equal to 3 by 10. Now the last step is calculate the new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio is equal to A's share, B's share and C's share. A share is 1 by 2, B is 3 by 10 and C is 1 by 5. Now equal the denominator. 5, 3 and 2. The new profit sharing ratio is 5, 3, 2. I hope students you understand this case. If any doubt regarding this case, then please comment. Thank you.